Today is a rainy day. I look out the window. I grab my umbrella. I step outside. I'm walking in the rain. The wind is blowing hard. Oops! I stepped in a puddle.
My shoes are soaked.
The road is slippery. I slipped on the wet road. The car splashed mud on me. My umbrella turned inside out. I'm struggling against the wind.
The wind blew my umbrella away. I'm getting soaked.
I run to a bus stop. I'm taking shelter from the rain.
I wait for the rain to slow down.
The rain is easing up. Now I'm walking home.